In this question, we have to decide whether the given numbers are rational or not. This is the question, or this we have to find out in this question. Let us just go through the question. The following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form P by Q, what can you say about the prime factors of Q? So the first question is 43.1234568 This is the first question. We have to find out whether this real number is rational or not. We have learned that if see here the real number, the decimal expansion of this real number terminates. Since the decimal expansion terminates, the real number is rational and of the form P by Q. It's very clear. Okay, now so let us write it as 1. Since the decimal expansion terminates, so the real number is rational and of the form rational of the form P by Q. Now still the question, let us check the question. If they are rational, now we got this number is rational. This real number is rational. Why? Because since the decimal expansion of this real number terminates, that is why it is rational. Now if they are rational and of the form P by Q, so since they are rational, it is of the form P by Q. What can you say about the prime factors of Q? So let us write this in the form P by Q. So 43.123456789. This decimal number let us convert into a rational number. So for converting a decimal number into a rational number, let us first divide this rational number by 1. So it can be written as 43.123456789 divided by 1. Now next step, if there is one decimal point in the numerator, then we multiply this by 10 and divide by 10. If there are two decimal points, then we multiply the numerator by 100 and divide the denominator it by 100, or we multiply the denominator also by 100, and so on. So here there are 9 decimal points. So we have to multiply this numerator by a number with 9 zeros, that is about 100 crore. We have to divide or multiply the numerator also by the same number. So it can be written as this is equal to 43.1. This we multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into this 9 zeros. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this is equal to, by multiplying this by this, see how many zeros are there? 9 zeros. 9 decimal points are also there. So 9 points, this moves to the right side. So the number becomes, this is equal to 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by this. So 9 zeros are, so 10 raised to 9. 10 raised to 9. Now it can be written as 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by this 10 raised to 9 can be written as 10 can be written as 2 into 5 the whole raised to 9, which is equal to 9 divided by this is 2 raised to 9 into 5 raised to 9, which is of the form sum 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. So the denominator q is of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n. So the denominator q is of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n. Now let us check the second question, that is 0.120, 1200, 12000, 1240, etc. Okay, so here it is very clear that the given real number is not terminating and not repeating. That is, it is neither terminating or nor non-terminating repeating. It does not comes in both cases. This number here, it is very clear, this is not terminating, and the second case, it is neither non-terminating repeating. So this real number is not a rational number. It's very clear. So answer is very clear. So second question is, since the number is neither terminating nor non-terminating repeating, the given real number is not a rational number. Okay, here the answer is very simple. Since the given real number is neither terminating nor non-terminating repeating, the number is not rational number. Okay, so now let us go move to the third question. It is 43.123, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here one bar, let us see there. What does this bar? We have learned that this bar indicates these digits, that is, it start from 1, the bar start from 1 and ends at 9. So the digits from 1 to 9 repeats. So the number or the given real number, it is very clear this given real number is a non-terminating but repeating, non-terminating repeating decimal. So it is a rational number. So it can be written of the form p by q. So third question. Since the number is non-terminating repeating. The given real number is rational and of the form P by Q. And of the form P by Q. This is the first part of the question. Second part, if it is in P by Q model, if it is of the form P by Q, then what about the prime factorization or prime factors of Q? So here let us take let x is equal to, let us take this number as x. X is equal to some 43.123456789. Again it is repeats. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, etc. Now we multiply both sides of this equation by, see here how many digits repeats. 9 digits are repeating there. So we multiply both sides of this equation by a power of 10 or 10 raised to 9, a number with 9 zeros, that is 100 crore. Okay, so let us rewrite this here. Since we don't have space, let us rewrite here. Okay, so just rewrite this here, and let us put this as equation number 1. So we multiply both sides of equation number, multiply both sides of 1 by, see 9 digits repeats, so we multiply a number with 9 zeros. 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this becomes, left side this becomes into x is equal to 43 multiplying by, see a number by this, so this decimal point moves 9 digits to the right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, etc. Let us put this as equation number 2. Now we are going to subtract equation number 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1 gives, see this minus x, so this becomes x. For next we subtracted from. So now by subtracting the left side, sorry, right side, this minus this number, so the decimal points completely has got subtracted. Then from this number we have to subtract a 43. So this is equal to 9 minus 3 6. Then 8 minus 4 4. Then rest are say 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 43. So this implies x is equal to, let us take this number to the right side. So here it is in the numerator. By transforming it to the right side, it goes to the denominator. So this becomes 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 6 divided by now. Next, let us check whether this number in the simplest form, or is there any common factor in the numerator and the denominator. So let us find that one common factor is there in the numerator and denominator. It is 3. Let us cancel both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So by cancelling this numerator by 3, we get here 3 one time. Then remainder 1 in 13 4 times. Remainder 1 11 3 times. Remainder 2 in 22 7 times. Remainder 1 in 13 4 times. Remainder 1 in 14 4 times. Remainder 2 in 25 8 times. Remainder 1 in 16 5 times. Remainder 1 in 17 5 times. Remainder 2 in 24 8 times. Then in 6 2 times. So this is equal to 1 4 3 1 4 3 7 4 4 8 5 5 8 2 divided by, then cancel out the denominator also. So 3 1 3 times 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. So this can be written as okay. So this here the denominator is here. So the denominator is 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3, which cannot be written of the form sum 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n. Cannot be written of the form sum 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n. This is the prime factorization of the denominator of this rational number. So see that we know that when the number rational number is non-terminating and repeating, then the prime factorization of the denominator will not be of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n.